Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Sanjit, can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, my name is not there. Huh? Maybe my son's account I have used.
Sir,
Check.
the name?
Joel.
Joel. Sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. Okay, sir. Yeah, I got
it. Good morning, Dr. Sanjit.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Sir.
Yes, fine.
Selvaraj, sir?
Yes.
Sir, shall I call director, sir?
Sir will join. We have 3 more minutes.
Okay, sir.
You can call.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I am just connecting through mobile.
Okay.
You can give it a call.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Sanjit, did you call?
Yes, sir. I called Venkatesh and he told me that sir will join now.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only Nayak is there. Yeah. Hi, good morning. Okay.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, class number.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Okay, sir. Sir, shall we start?
Yeah,
Okay, okay. A very good morning to everyone present in this online inaugural function. It is my privilege to deliver the welcome address as the coordinator of this FDP. Our chief guest, Honorable Director, Professor D.V.L.N. Somyajulu, respected Dean Sponsored Research, Dr. M.D. Selvaraj, Head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Maslamani, Deans, Registrar, faculty members, staff, participants, students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this online AICTE training and learning faculty development program on cybersecurity and cryptography trends and technologies, which is organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram, Chennai. AICTE is committed for the development of quality technical education in the country by initiating various schemes of Government of India, like Swayam, Smart India Hackathon, Research Promotion Scheme, Quality Improvement Program, Startup India, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, yoga activities, etc. AICTE Council understands the need to train young professionals, faculty members, and technicians in various emerging technology sectors. They have conducted many programs to encourage the young faculty members and technicians to participate and improve their skills. One such program is AICTE Training and Learning Atal program. First Atal Academy was established in Jaipur by the then Honorable Union Human Resource Development Minister on 24th September 2018, along with the announcement for other Atal Academies at Vadodara, Guwahati, and Trivandrum. On 11th September 2019, they established 11 more Atal Academy throughout the country. It was decided by the Atal Academy to train in 9 thrust areas, such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, robotics, quantum computing, data science, cybersecurity, 3D printing and design, augmented reality, and virtual reality. In the current era, almost all businesses, educational institutions, and government agencies are using internet. On one side, we are benefiting from IT infrastructure services, but on the other hand, there is a significant increase in the number of cyber attacks. Therefore, modern infrastructure needs security solutions for secure transmission and protection of data at rest. The objective of this Atal FDP is to deliver basic cryptographic and cybersecurity techniques, as well as current cybersecurity issues and solutions. This FDP is a 5-day event consisting of 15 expert lectures, including a special session on stress management. The speakers are from IITs, IIITs, and various industries. Each day we will have one session before lunch and 2 sessions after lunch, each of 1 hour and 45 minutes. 188 plus participants from various universities, colleges, and institutions of different parts of the country will attend this FDP. I want to inform the participants that mandatory 80% attendance and 60% marks in the test is required to get certificate. I hope this FDP will provide all the essential knowledge relating to cybersecurity and cryptography and offer excellent opportunities to enhance the skills in this area. Again, a warm welcome to all of you to this inaugural program. Thank you very much. Now I request the head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering, to give the departmental address.
Thank you, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, good morning to all the participants. And good morning to the organizer, Dr. Sanjit, Dean, Director, and all other faculty members who are present now. A very warm good morning to you all once again. I wish to introduce our department to you for the purpose of choosing our department later on for joining for PhD for some other purpose like collaboration with our faculty members in research. Our department is reasonably young. We started in the year 2009, and now currently we have around 10 faculty members working in different areas like image processing, computer vision, machine learning, data mining, graph theory, VLSI design, and so on, and security, and so on. And we offer two UG programs: BTech in computer science and engineering, BTech in computer science and engineering, major in AI, artificial intelligence, and then one PG program, MTech in computer science and engineering with specialization in data science and artificial intelligence. And we also offer PhD programs right from the beginning of the department. And we are guiding in many areas, as I told, graph theory, computer vision, image processing, machine learning, and so on. And those who are interested can, contact the respected faculty members. And you can see their profiles in the institute website. And coming to the admission procedure for BTech, we take JEE students, and for MTech, we take GATE students. And for PhD, we conduct our own written test and interview. Based on that, we take the students. And for MTech and PhD, we give stipend. And for MTech, we give around 12,000 per month. And for PhD, we give for first 2 years 30,000 per month, and then third year and fourth year we give for 35,000 per month. And apart from that, other facilities like going to abroad for conference and all, we support. And you will enjoy the stay here, learning here. And if anybody is interested in doing PhD, please contact us. And coming to this program, cybersecurity, this is one of the sort of course people want to do research and project in this, because in computer science, if you take all the areas, there are three areas that that are very important and growing like anything. One is machine learning and artificial intelligence. The second one is the security. The third one is IoT. And the security is even more important now because of various reasons. All the banking are doing only mostly the online transactions, core banking or whatever. And all this cryptographic algorithms that are there used in banking, they're all not 100% secured. Therefore you have some challenges to better it again and again. They're all reduced to some hard problems. If somebody solves a hard problem, they will be able to crack the security of the system also. So therefore, I would say this cyber security area and cryptography area are evergreen area, because hard problems are, if you're not able to solve for all cases, in some cases you can solve. So if that case is, matching with cracking the password or including into the security of the system, then there will be huge financial loss and so on. So therefore, it is always better to improve the security of the system. For that, you need cryptography. And this is the right course. All the best for you. And enjoy this course. And so don't stop your association with us after this program. And you can contact the respective faculty members with whom you want to be associated with for doing PhD or whatever. And with this, let me wish you all the best for success of this program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words and highlighting importance of cybersecurity and cryptography. Now I request the Dean-sponsored research to give the institutional address.
Thanks, Sanjit. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Respected Director, Head of the Department of Computer Science, Professor Masalamani, Coordinator, Dr. Sanjit Kumar Nayak, faculty colleagues, and my dear participants. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this inaugural ceremony of 5-day Atal-sponsored FTP on cybersecurity and cryptography, the trends and technologies. So this topic is The chosen topic is very timely and it is going to be very helpful for all the participants who is going to attend this workshop. So nowadays, whenever we do any transactions in the banking or any other credit card, anywhere, we always under fear that whether our transactions are safe or not. Or when you do any operations in the cyber world, we always under the threat that is there anyone who will hack our system, or we will our data, we will lose the data. All that threat is happening. Therefore, the cyber security and the cryptography plays a very significant role on protecting the data and protecting all our wealth. So our wealth is our data. And it is also my pleasure. Let me introduce the institute to you. So the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram, we shortly call it as a IIITM Kanchipuram, is a center of excellence for technical education and research, established in 2007 by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, to pursue design and manufacturing oriented engineering education and research. The institute is located on a 51-acre campus on the outskirts of Chennai. We call it as a off Vandalur Kelambakam Road. That means on the Kirapakkam Road we have. It is fully residential campus with all students residing within the campus. Of course, now because of the corona, students are away from the campus, but all students can reside within the campus. The campus houses the academic block, administration block, lecture halls, mess complex, laboratory complex, sports complex, and a skyscraper hostels, etc. On the academic side, the institute is presently offering BTech programs in computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, smart manufacturing, with all focus on design and manufacturing. And also we have 5 dual degree programs leading to both BTech and MTech degrees. And we have a separate 2-year MTech programs in all the 3 departments, and also have a interdisciplinary PhD programs in core and applied areas of engineering and science. The curricula for all the programs have been framed after extensive deliberations and discussion with the IIT, IISc, and other reputed institute faculty members and the industry stakeholders. The programs are aimed at providing solutions to current technological challenges in wide domains like robotics, AI, artificial intelligence, studies, home entertainment, telecommunication, automotive systems, etc. The design engineers and researchers passing out from IIIT Kanchipuram will find scope and relevance in IT and IT-enabled companies, embedded system players, automotive design, consumer product design, and manufacturing and knowledge service-based industries. With mastery in domain-specific engineering skills and required managerial expertise, our graduates can entrepreneur organizations involved in design and manufacture of commercially successful electronic and mechanical products. And on the faculty front, we have completed 22 sponsored research projects, and 42 projects are progressing well in our research labs. And the value of the sponsored project so far is 21.94 crores. And our faculty members regularly organizes conferences, workshops, and several training programs. So I invite you all to attend such programs and get benefit. And you can also collaborate, as the head of the Department of Computer Science exactly told, you can also collaborate with any faculty member. We just simply send an email, get his or her appointment, discuss with them for possible collaboration. They're all available and our doors are open. You can just collaborate with any faculty members. And also you can, you can also jointly have a MOU with our institute for any joint or for jointly organizing any workshop or any FTPs like this. And I just congratulate the coordinator, Dr. Sanjit Kumar Naik, for conducting this workshop in a timely topic on cyber security and cryptography. I hope this is going to be a big knowledge base for the participants. So I request the participants to attend all the sessions sincerely and interact with the speakers, and also interact with the coordinator if they have any doubts, and also take part in the test which will be conducted by the coordinator. And again, I welcome you all to the IIITM Kanchipuram. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. Now I request our Honorable Director, sir, to give the inaugural address.
Dr. M.D. Salvaraj, Dean, SRIC, Dr. Maslamani, Head of the Department of CSE, Dr. Sanjit Kumar Nayak, Coordinator of this Atal course, Deans, Registrar, Faculty, Staff, and my dear participants. Very good morning to one and all present here. At the outset, on behalf of IIITDM Kanchipuram, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants. And this program is jointly conducted by Kanchipuram, IIITDM Kanchipuram, and Atal AICT Academy on cyber security and cryptography trends and technologies. As mentioned by Dr. Sanjit in his opening remarks, AICT has established this academy to facilitate faculty development programs in various thrust areas, out of which cyber security and cryptography is one of the thrust area. This year, AICT has approved 1,500 online FDP proposals submitted by several institutions across the country. Kanchipuram got 4 FDPs sanctioned. Out of 4, 2 were sanctioned to the Department of CSE and 1 for the Department of ECE and 1 for the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Already today morning, I have inaugurated another program in the Department of ECE. One program is already conducted by the Mechanical Engineering Department, and one more is scheduled in the month of December. As per the present day needs, this theme is a very, very important, relevant theme. Cybersecurity has evolved as an essential aspect in this technological era with the increased online threats. Every digital platform is vulnerable to cyber attacks, whether it is a sophisticated machine learning inspired attack or simple fraud of stealing information. Cybersecurity finds the patterns and analysis the threat for ensuring reliable, secure, and trustworthy applications. It has grown and has encapsulated different technologies for mitigating against intelligent adversaries. Recently, GAN networks are becoming popular. The current trend involves cryptography, machine learning, blockchain, and a collaborative defensive mechanism to address state-of-the-art threats. Therefore, it is a very important for both the academicians and the industry people need to get acquainted with the latest cybersecurity trends to deliver a promising solution to the existing applications against cyber threats. In my opinion, the topic cybersecurity and cryptography trends and technologies sanctioned by AICT is very important to learn in this digital era. I welcome all the 14 expert speakers who have agreed to deliver lectures during this 1-week Atal program. I want all of you to get maximum benefits out of this course and also mentor other colleagues and students in these particular emerging fields. I would also like to invite all of you to interact with the faculty members of our CSE department and do some collaborative work in terms of teaching, research, consultancy, etc. With these few words, I once again congratulate the coordinator, Dr. Nayak, for taking the initiative to conduct this course. Thank you, one and all. I wish the program a great success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving the inaugural address. Now it's the time to give the vote of thanks. It is my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks for today's inaugural function. First of all, I express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Director, sir, for sparing his valuable time with us despite his busy schedule. Director, sir, always motivates us to conduct such FDPs and give hands-on training. I wholeheartedly thank the Head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering, and Dean-sponsored research for giving the departmental and institutional address. I would like to thank all the deans, registrar, and all the faculty colleagues who attended this inaugural function. I wish to thank the staff member of our department and SRIC cell for their constant support towards the preparation of this online FDP. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to all our resource persons who accepted our invitation to deliver talks during this FDP. Also, I thank all the participants for showing their interest in this FDP. Last but not least, I would like to thank AICTE officials for sponsoring this FDP on behalf of entire IIITDM fraternity. Thank you one and all for joining this inaugural program. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjit. All
Thank
the
you.
very best.
Thank you, sir.
Sanjit. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Ms.
sir.
Patni and Dr. Selvaraj. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sanjit.
Thank you, sir. So, dear participants, we will start our first session after 10 minutes. Thank you very much.
So virtual snacks, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we'll leave. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.